In order to make this donkey head, I first had to cut out some pieces. I needed a very large goldfish, these funky guys, 2 beat-up trapezoids, and some long rectangles. I started with the fish, turned it into a bad wig, and then was judged by my cat for it. Then I cut a long and a thick banana and pinned and sewed them together. I stuffed the fur on the inside, which became a tube situation, which will become ears, I promise. See? Look, I wouldn't lie to you. There it is, fastest promise I have ever kept. Once you've made some twins, then we get to put some wire in there. But don't forget to fluff your wire. I wanted my donkey ears even fluffier, so I just grabbed some cotton balls and I just stuffed them in there. I grabbed a skewer and I just stabbed them right in. Just go for it. It's fun. Trust me, a good stress reliever. And of course, I got to sew in the ears. And that's not all I'm sewing, so I pinned these pieces together into a weird hood and prepared to sew them together, which meant it was time for this truly magical moment around 3 a.m. So what if it looked more like a rabbit than a donkey? I still had time, so I decided to waste some of that time by Snapchatting my fiancé to ask if he thought it was cute, which he of course said yes to, because how else do you respond to someone when they ask if something is cute that they made or not? It's just what you do. Next I decided to scrap the whole thing, just cut it apart, why not? Well, then one of the characters in A Midsummer Night's Dream would be minus a donkey head, so let's do some buttonholes instead. Let me tell you, my grandmother's button jar had some great options, like this, and this one, and this one, and this one. But this was just right. So now all that's left is to add a mane, and oh, when did that happen? Well, on to the reveal then.